Kalau kalian lihat aku pakai masker, berarti masih zaman pandemi tuh. Tapi ini emang kita baru turun dari bus tour ya. Dari Amsterdam menuju ke pabrik sepatu dari kayu di kota Marken. Nah, dan di dalam bus dan di dalam ruangan wajib pakai masker. Dan di video kali ini aku mau tunjukin gimana caranya bikin sepatu dari kayu. Disimak baik-baik ya babes ya, sampai selesai videonya. Jangan lupa subscribe-nya dan kasih like sama komentarnya ya. Makasih.
Hello everybody!
Hai.
Hello everybody! Hello! Welcome to the Wooden Shoe Factory. My name is Sebastian and today I will show you everything about the wooden shoe. It starts off with this block of wood. The wood that we use is from a poplar tree. We use this because it absorbs water really well. When the wood is wet, it's really easy to cut with the knives and the machines. When the wood will be dry, it can break the wood, and we don't like that to happen, so that's why we use wet wood. This is our steam engine. It's from 1913, from Germany. There are not a lot of working steam engines left in the whole world, so it's pretty unique that we have one working today. We're also the only factory in the whole world who still makes wooden shoes on a steam engine. So what you guys see here is really unique, and that's something we're really proud of. These are from France, from 1906, one of the first machines ever used to make wooden shoes. If you look closely at these machines, you can see these look way older than all the green ones we have in the shop. That's because when I'm going to work with this one, what is way newer, I will press a button and everything will be done automatically. But if I'm using these, I need to do everything with my bare hands, what makes it even more cool and unique because of the steam engine that's going to power these on in a moment. Back in the days, it took them 3 full hours to just make one pair of shoes. In that closet behind you, you can find the tools that are used to make the wooden shoes back in the day. Well, for the outside, they were using this kind of tools. So he was doing this all day until he got a shape in the shoe. And for the inside, they were using this kind of tools. And the shoemaker was doing this all day till he got a hole in the shoe. I'm doing it for a small second, and there's already a hole going in, so it really worked. Luckily, I can do it in 5 or 10 minutes, way better. Or you really like to see it the old way, but we're probably gonna sit here for the next 5 hours. Gonna be my first time ever making them with my hands. So what do you think about that? No?
No.
Wow. Okay, no problem. Then we're gonna use the machine over here. This is the first machine. It's for the outside. Here you can see the example, or as we call it, a mold. I will put the block of wood over there in a moment. Then I will put this blade down. I put this band on the machine. Then the wheel full of knives in here will start spinning really quickly. The mold and the block of wood will start spinning in different directions. That's because this is a right shoe. And we're going to make a left one, so they can't go the same way. Also, the wooden shoe goes backwards slowly. And then this part of the machine feels how the mold looks like. And we'll do exactly the same on the block of wood with the wheel full of knives. Everybody gets it?
Yeah.
And if you don't, I'm sorry. Alright.
Nah babes, gimana, udah ngerti kan tadi yang dia jelaskan? Bahwa untuk membuat sepatu dari kayu butuh kayu yang basah biar mudah untuk dipotong, dan bukan kayu yang kering, bakalan hancur nanti.
Alright, I will put these on because I'm standing here all day with the loud noises. I will put the steam engine on louder and we can start. Berisik sekali suara mesin-mesin pembuat sepatu kayu itu. Nggak kebayang gimana rasanya kerja di situ setiap hari seperti apa ya. Tapi ternyata selain memakai mesin, tetap aja ada yang dikerjakan secara manual ya. take a little break from all the hard work. But we're finally here. And look what for beautiful shoe I just made. No. Alright, so now we made the outside of the shoe. Wow.
Okay.
Alright, now we're going to take out the inside. We're going to use this shoe over this machine. You can see the example already as a hole inside. So what I will do, I'm going to follow it from inside out. As you can tell, what I will do on the left side will happen on the right side exactly the same. If I then put the bend on this machine, the knife on here will start spinning really quickly and we can cut out the inside like really easy. Alright. Alright, there we go again. Are you guys still ready? Alright, so now we're done for the inside and I got something special for you guys. A souvenir from me for you guys. You can each take one out of my hand, but be gentle with it, there's enough for everybody. Stupid joke. If you're really interested, you can help me clean it up after the show. Then I don't have to do it myself. So now we have the inside. It's maybe a little bit rough, that's because it's a really old machine. If I put a different knife on here and do the same, it will get out those little pieces and it will be really smooth. We're now going to take off the edges of the shoe. We're going to use this big sharp knife. And I want to tell you guys, this knife is not sharp at all. These are just muscles I'm going to use, of course. So we start with the front. Maybe it is sharp. So the front, wow!
Wow!
Yes, and the back of the shoe, of course. And the back, ooh la la! So it's almost finished, it's only need to dry out. That takes 2 weeks, we hang them on the ceiling like the ones we have over here. And after the 2 weeks we can polish them and paint them like these. The ones you can find on top of you, or the ones we sell in the shop, of course. If you ever like to try them yourself, just remember one thing, you should always put a finger behind your heel. If you don't have that space, it's really gonna hurt your feet up your arch because you're touching the front of the shoe all the time. You don't like that to have a sort of finger space. The shoes aren't only good for your safety, they're also really good for your posture. Because like with your normal shoes you can stand a little bit to the outside or to the inside. But with wooden shoes you can't because it's wood. So you need to stand how you're supposed to stand. And because of that reason you're standing straight with your posture. But I think there's one more special reason that wooden shoes are really good for you. And that's because, and here I go, they look really sexy on me. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your time to take your sexy pictures. So come on. You made one, that will be €5. We can rearrange that later. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you all the best and a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you. Oke guys, setelah menyaksikan dan mendengarkan bagaimana cara membuat sepatu dari kayu di pabrik ini, maka kita akan diarahkan keluar lewat pintu depan toko yang menjual sepatu-sepatu dari kayu dan souvenir-souvenir lainnya. Setelah berbelanja souvenir, maka tur pun dilanjutkan. Kemana ya berikutnya? Ayo subscribe dulu dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya biar sama-sama tahu pas Yuki upload video baru lagi. See you in my next video. Bye.